Hi, this is Keto Granny, and I'm going to do a quick video on some great foods that you can eat on the ketogenic diet, and also it's going to include a grocery haul from a local store called Grocery Outlet. So I went to the store and I ended up getting some Keto maple flavored syrup. I made chaffles and I needed a syrup, so this syrup is really keto friendly. It has no fat, no carbs, or any protein. So it's something that you could really use on the ketogenic diet. Also, I bought some Ocean Halo seaweed snack, and I use this to wrap like tuna salad, egg salad, ham salad, or chicken salad, and put some jalapeno pepper slices, or if you want to wrap it, wrap cheese in it. It's very, very good, and it only has 20 calories for a whole pack. So this is something that you could use for a good snack on the ketogenic diet. And it comes in several different flavors. The flavors that I've tried is, as you've seen, the bacon and then the sea salt. Now, another good little gadget to have on the ketogenic diet is a mini waffle maker. And you can make what are called chaffles. And chaffles are just like a keto waffle. And they're very, very delicious. And you can use these to replace bread. So it's very handy to have one of these little mini waffles so that you can use it to make, like I said, chaffles. And that's the inside of the grill, as you can see. It's a little round dish shape. Also, I had went to the store, and this is just showing some of the foods that I got today on my quick grocery haul. Now that I have my grandkids over, so that's for some sandwiches for them. But as you can see, I have some sugar-free chocolate chips. I have a hard time finding chocolate chips that are sugar-free, so I saw those, so I decided to go ahead and get them. I have mustard. I like to use that in like egg salad or different dishes like that. I have salsa. I love my salsa on my different dishes. For a lot of things, you can see I use the sugar-free GHU's barbecue sauce, and he has several flavors, and it's very, very good and very low in carbs. Now, there's some sugar-free Jello that I've gotten. I just saw a dish with this that I wanted to try. So I have this. I just got to find something to use it for. Either just make me some sugar-free Jello and put it in the refrigerator. That would be a nice treat to have. As you see, I found some Swerve today. And you can see the Swerve is a sugar replacement. And it's very, very good. I use it to bake with. Okay, again, there's some the Ocean Halo and the sea salt seaweed snacks that I got. Like I said, these are only 20 calories for the whole package, so they're very, very good. Jalapeno peppers so that I can slice those. I like jalapeno peppers on things, and also I use Truvia. That's a sweetener also. Now, on the keto diet, you're probably using lots of lemons. You can use lemons to drink warm lemon water. It can help you replenish your electrolytes. There's squash I have and a zucchini that one of my friends gave me. He is a garden grower. I mean, he is an excellent grower. There's an avocado. I like to have an avocado at least. I like to say once a day, but I don't get to have an avocado once a day. I get to have them about 3 times a week. And you can see I went to the store and they had some avocados. I didn't really like the way that they looked too much today. They were all small, kind of small, but I did find me one to take, to buy. And avocados are full of potassium and fat. So they are a very, very good snack to eat on the ketogenic diet. There are many dishes that you can make with them. I use them a lot in the smoothies that I make. I make a spinach smoothie and I use avocado in there, and it's delicious, very, very delicious. I have a video out on that if you want to check it out. It's my spinach smoothie video. There's some ribs. I love ribs. Now, I saw a video where someone said it's not too good to eat ribs, but I cook mine in the oven. And then, like I said, I use the G.H. Hughes barbecue sauce for my seasoning a lot. But a lot of times when I cook ribs, I don't even put the sauce on them. A lot of times I just season them and then just cook them, and then I just leave them as juicy as I can and just eat them like that. I buy a lot of the grass-fed 80%, 80-20, 80-20. So I buy that at the grocery store. And it's very, very good meat, good hamburger patties. Now, as for fish, I always read the fish label because I only like to buy the wild caught. If I see anything that says farm raised, I do not get it because I saw a video about buying farm raised fish, and it was kind of revolting. So I'm going to get me some of the fish, wild caught Alaskan salmon. So I'm going to have some fish, and I'm learning how to cook salmon. I'm learning how to cook salmon better. Okay, so this is just something I'm just looking at. Crab. I've never tried crab before, but this is some crab meat. I'm not going to try it today either. I'm going to put this back. But it's good to keep yourself open to trying new and different foods, especially on the ketogenic diet, because I wasn't much of a fish eater, but I have been eating more fish since I've been doing keto. Okay, so I'm going to walk on through the store and pick up a couple of items that I'm going to use for food prep. I try to buy my vegetables pretty well close to the time that I'm going to use them. Okay, so here I am in the milk section, and I like to use the almond silk. I don't like to use the soy milk, so I use for the almond silk. And I've got to get eggs, so I'm going to get some cage-free grass-fed hens. As far as the type of eggs that I'm going to get. Now, sometime you will see me with regular eggs. When I can't afford the grass-fed free-range eggs, then I will get the regular eggs. But it's best to stick to grass-fed as much as you can because you know that they're not getting all the pesticides and everything. Those chickens didn't get that. So you're not going to get that. Okay, so look at that lonely avocado there. That's all I see is a lonely avocado. Okay, so I'm at the back of the store, and they have a pretty good meat selection here, and they have a lot of grass-fed organic meat section where they will offer you things like lamb chops, ribeye, ground beef, different things, and it's all in one little section there. So that makes it very, very convenient when you're shopping also at a grocery outlet. And usually as I'm buying food at the store, I am always reading labels. You want to always check out expiration dates. Some foods do last beyond the expiration date, so you still want to always check my expiration date and try to get the freshest foods available. That's the best way to do it. Let me take a drink of water here. Okay, so I need some bacon. So I'm going to pick out some bacon. And I use bacon a lot. I use bacon for seasoning. I use it for sandwiches. Now, this is ghee, clarified butter. And I use this a lot for my cooking on the keto diet. If you're going to cook and you need an oil to cook with, ghee is very, very good to use. Now, I use apple cider vinegar a lot on the ketogenic diet. Apple cider vinegar has many, many great benefits. It helps fight inflammation, and I mix it as a cocktail in the morning with I put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, and that's my cocktail for the day. And that gives me my electrolytes, and it has many, many benefits. Now, I use a lot of heavy whipping cream also. I use this to make gravies. I use it in baking. I use it in my bulletproof coffee. For a whole lot of things, I use the heavy whipping cream. It's best to get the organic. And as you can see, a tablespoon is only 50 calories. So sometime when I'm fasting, I will put just a tablespoon of this in my black coffee. And when I'm buying milk, like I said, I like the silk almond milk. And as you can see, this is 60 calories. But if you get the unsweetened, it is only 30 calories a cup. That's just information to know. And then here are a few items to just show some more of the items that I got on the grocery haul. I have lemon juice. I get that it comes in handy to use that. Onions, tomatoes, strawberries, my sour cream, cheddar cheese. These are some of the items that I use almost every day in the keto diet. Some additional food items I added in today was some strawberries to my grocery haul. And as you can see, I've added in some tomatoes. I like tomatoes. I'm going to have another wrapped burger, and I'm going to add tomatoes and onion to it this time. So here's my onion. And I learned how to make some yogurt. I'm using sour cream that's keto friendly. So I got my sour cream, adding me some heavy whipping cream. And I have lemons, but then I seen this Sicilian lemon juice. It says not from concentrate. So I got that. And then I added in some medium cheddar cheese. So those are additional items that I added into my keto grocery haul. Let me turn that around. Okay, see you. So this is the 80-20 organic ground beef patties, and I buy these all the time. They come in very, very handy. Here are my strawberries. And I usually go through these pretty fast, but sometimes these spoil on me kind of fast also. So I'll get a big container, but I'll make sure that I eat them pretty fast. Use them quickly. Now, I used to buy like 3 avocados. I don't do that anymore. I try to buy just 1 avocado because I found that they spoil very quickly if I don't eat them fast. So if I eat half one day, eat half the next day, and if I bought 2 or 3, then they tend to rot. So you want to get your vegetables, if you can, on a daily basis. That way you know that they're fresh and taste great. Now, I used to drink this, the La Croix, but then they started saying that it had some type of roach spray in it, so I don't drink that anymore.
Are you a target listening to band quality? Here at Grocery Outlet,
Tide. I use Tide. I need my Tide. So as you're shopping, read your labels to make sure that you're skipping hidden sugars. You want to catch any hidden sugars in anything that you're buying, so make sure that you read your labels as you're shopping.